Namaste. Welcome you all for the story a day. So, how a story can change our life? See, this story I would have read, I would have heard, I would have listened. A lot of Dr. Gurraj Karjagi and Sudhamurthy. So many sources I have listened and I have read. So I do not know which is the right source, but still wholeheartedly I would like to thank them for providing these wonderful stories. So this is not my own story, but a story which I have read or understood, and what is the learning from that I am going to share with you. So this story is about how we see things, how perception, observation, and expression changes in our life. So this is a story where in Mahabharata, okay, Drona was the guru or the teacher of both Pandavas and Kauravas. So one fine day, early morning, Drona decides to take care of all his, take his students to a nearby village, and he wanted to give an online in-plant training or overseas training. So when he takes to that place and he keeps giving training, one day early morning he calls Duryodhana. And he says, okay, Duryodhana, today now it is 9 o'clock. I'll give you one task. You go in this direction. Okay, till evening you spend time in this village, going in this direction, go like this and come back. And just talk to each and every person in this village. And in the evening, you should come and give me a report how many good people are there in this village. And Duryodhana leaves. After 15-20 minutes, he calls Yudhishthira and he says, Yudhishthira, I'm going to give you one task. So what you do is, so now today is the morning 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So go in this direction, and by the evening, just you have to, before evening, you just to talk to each and every person in this village. And in the end of the day, you come and just report to me how many bad people are there in this village. This is the task I'm giving it to you. So Yudhishthira goes. After the evening, okay, when Drona is waiting, around 6 o'clock or whatever it is, Duryodhana comes with lot of rage, anger, frustration, his breathing is heavy, and he starts shouting at his master. Master, I do not know what a lousy place you have brought me in. This is the place. I do not know why you have brought me to this particular village. This village people doesn't have any culture. They do not have any mannerism. They do not know how to talk to prince or whatever it is, or to learn people. They are so arrogant. I could not able to find even a single good person in this village. This is one of the worstest villages I've seen in my life. This is how he comments, and he sits with a lot of rage and anger and frustration. After 15 or 20 minutes, Yudhishthira comes and he stands in a corner and he started scratching his hand. And then our Drona asks, what happened? Then Yudhishthira says, no, master, sorry. I could not able to fulfill the task what you had. No, no, tell me what happened. No, master, sorry, I could not able to fulfill your wish because morning till evening I spoke to each and every person in this village, but I could not say till now I could not able to identify who is that wrong person. I could not able to find even a single wrong person in this village or a bad person in this village. People are so learned. The way they respond, the way they give the respect, they are so innocent villagers. This is what my report is. I could not able to find a bad person. Village is same, the people is same, okay, environment is same, but two people, the way they look at life is totally depends upon their side, their perception, their observation, and their expression. Similarly, in our life, we can see anything as negative or anything as positive. The more and more we see anything as negative, our energy level goes down. The more if we see anything as positive, our energy level increases. So this is what story made an impact in my life. Any situation, it might be negative or it might be some miserable situation, whatever it is. I will just adopt this story. Wow, see how I'm looking at it. And the moment when we, the wisdom crops in, something changes. So the moral of this particular story is just keep seeing anything and everything and just realize one thing, that life is a mirror. The society is like a mirror. So what you project, that is what it reflects. So what I project myself in front of the mirror, that is the reflection what I get. Similarly, so let us, it is our perception, our observation, and our expression is in our hands. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for spending your patient time with me.